Hi, let's learn how to create account on Binance. Go to the Binance website at binance.com and click on the register button located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Make sure you read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy before proceeding. After filling out the registration form, click on the register button. Binance will send a verification email to the email address you provided. Once you have verified your email, you can log into your Binance account. After that, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process by submitting your personal information and a valid government-issued ID. This is required to comply with Binance's security and regulatory standards. Now download the Binance app to take a photo of government-issued ID. You can download the app from iOS and Google Play Store. Now you'll be automatically redirected to the verification page. And that's it. You have successfully created a Binance account and are now ready to start trading cryptocurrencies on one of the world's leading exchanges. Happy trading!